1. Eagles have one of the largest wingspans among all birds, with some species exceeding 7 feet to 1 meters. The harpy eagle holds the record for the longest wingspan of any eagle species. Two, eagles have strong, hooked beaks that are designed for tearing flesh and capturing prey. Their beaks can exert a tremendous amount of pressure, making them effective hunters. Three, eagles have relatively long lifespans for birds. Some species can live for up to 30 to 50 years in the wild, depending on their environment and threats. Four, eagles have exceptionally keen eyesight. They can spot prey from great heights and can see a wide range of colors, including ultraviolet light, which aids in hunting. They are nicknamed birds of prey due to their gracefulness, balanced aggression, and fantastic eyesight. Five, eagles are large, powerful birds of prey, belonging to the family Accipitridae. They are known for their sharp beaks, powerful talons, and exceptional vision. Six, eagles are one of the largest and strongest birds in the sky. Their vision is remarkable. Eagles also have good hearing, which helps them locate prey even in dense vegetation. Seven, eagles build large nests, known as eyries, in trees or on cliffs, and they often return to the same nest year after year. Bald eagles can reach speeds of up to 40 miles per hour, 64 kilometers per hour in flight. Some species of eagles are known for their dramatic aerial displays during courtship. 8. The largest species of eagle is the Philippine eagle, with a wingspan of up to 7 feet to 1 meters. 9. Eagles have sharp and powerful talons that they use to grip and carry prey. These talons are their primary tools for catching and killing prey. 10. There are over 60 different species of eagles, found all over the world, except in Antarctica. They come in various sizes and colors. Eagles are often used as symbols of power, freedom, and courage in many cultures and nations. The bald eagle is the national bird and symbol of the United States. Thank you for watching.